Good morning, collective. This is Rasta Gal, aka Angelic Empress, giving you a morning collective message. It's been a minute, I just been like taking care of myself, and I'm sure everybody else is doing the same thing or need to sometimes fall back and just heal yourself, live, life, and just take care of the most important person on earth, which is yourself. And sometimes you definitely need to fall back and observe, fall back and dissect things, fall back and get in tune and in touch with yourself, with, your accomplishments, with what you want to accomplish, with what you already have accomplished. It's a lot. When you fall back from devices like, you know, social media, the phone, TV, get connected and in tune with what makes you feel young again, what makes you happy, what makes you fall in love with yourself, with life. Trust me, you eventually end up seeing a lot of things. And I've been getting a lot of downloads, like flooded. And I'm just like, okay, my third eye is open. Like, oh my gosh. And I just been like really, like I said, observant of a lot of things, especially on social media, on this YouTube channel, on my platform. And I don't know if everybody has felt it. I felt like I felt like everybody has. The collective is, feeling it. That we're on a new vibration. That we're on just another type of energy wave. And if you haven't, then you need to fall back from these devices and tap into yourself. You need to find what makes you feel happy, what makes you fall in love, what gives you meaning and purpose here on this earth. Sit in quietness, quiet your mind, turn off all devices, the TV, the computer, the phone. Just try it. My TV is hardly on, hardly. And if I do have my TV on, I have music playing or I'm doing something on my computer that I really need to do. But most of the time, my devices are off. My phone, I'm working on. But other than that, lighting a candle, praying, meditating, okay? Or just playing music throughout your day, sitting in quietness and just be in a meditative state of doing cleaning in your house. And when you clean physically your house, you're pretty much making room and space for new energies to flow, feng shui to come through your home. And not even just your home, but in your body. You're cleaning your body, your mind, your spirit, your soul, your energy. Taking care of yourself, beautifying yourself, looking in the mirror and appreciating your love handovers. I don't know if I said it right. Appreciating your body, appreciating who you are, what you look like, how God and what He did to just how He made you. And adding, additional things to yourself, to make you feel good. I'm not talking about, and I'm not, downing anybody that does that. I'm not talking about plastic surgeries and injections. I'm talking about just things that make you feel good. Buying an outfit, treating yourself, painting your nails instead of going to get it done. Like doing natural things, organic things. Instead of going and getting a suntan, you're sitting out on the porch in the sun, on the beach, naturally getting the sun. You know what I mean? So I woke up this morning from a crazy dream. I wanted to share a download. Oh, let me clear my throat. And like I said, I've been getting a lot of downloads, a lot. And it's been crazy. And I'm just like, I can't believe these downloads. These downloads been on some ish. But I've been transmuting my energy, doing these positive things that I've mentioned to y'all just now. Instead of coming on my platform and sharing or trying to blast everything that I receive, because a lot of things that are shown to you is not always meant to be told. I just keep it on a down low. I keep it in my notes. Create a dream journal. Write down your dreams, what you receive, just in case you do need to fall back. You do need to reflect. You do need to connect the puzzles and dots to why you dreamed that, to the download you received in your dreams, and connect it. But I couldn't believe this energies or this dream I received last night. And I was just like, I woke up laughing, like inside. I was just like, wow, unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I'm sure the collective have heard of, because movies are real. I'm very discerning of movies that I watch on TV now. Even the more. I'll get to my dream in a second, the download I receive. You got to be careful what you're watching, what we're listening to. I can't take the scary movies. I can't. I used to be a scary movie fanatic. And I'm very discerning of what I watch now, even the more, because I see it. I'm not meaning to scare anybody, but I'm on here to, like I said, be an advocate for myself, as well as, I don't know if I'm using this word right, adversary for my God. So like I said, I've been falling back and just receiving so much downloads, and I just been transmuting every time. Like my store on my shop that I have is based on personal experiences, what I create, what I do, remedies I use, herbs that I use, things I create. I use it for me. And I always bless and cleanse and pray that this also is helpful source, a helpful remedies to protect, cleanse, and provide healing to my customers, to whoever purchase my items. So I used my spray when I woke up this morning, spraying clarity and just spraying and returning to center these energies. That's why I have that here. For healing and enlightenment. And it helps. I keep it by my bedside, under my pillow. But so the download I got that I remember, I'm getting into my download message. Whatever energy that was, it was negative, but they literally like the weasel just wheezed into my dreams. And what I wanted to say is there is a such thing as shapeshifters. There's a such thing as vampires, energies. There's a such thing as skinwalkers. There's such things as parasites. It's a lot of things out there. You see it in the movies and on TV and y'all laugh and scream, but it is real. So I felt like this was a shapeshifter energy in my dream. I've been getting a lot of that. If it's not vampire energies, it's shapeshifter. And they literally said, they mentioned my archangels, and that's why I came up here on my platform to talk about my download. Because this was like just ridiculous. One thing about archangels is they're stronger than us. They do not fall easily to mortals. They do not fall easily into temptation. They are here to do a specific job. They are here to serve God and whatever He is asking them to do. As above, so below. They will not and they do not follow orders from mortals easily like that, unless you are pure in heart. And they get the yes, the okay from God Himself to come down and help us, to be there by our side, to guide and direct us, protect us with sincerity from us. Now, if you're up to any evil doing and you have wickedness and evil in you, they're not going to come and help you. These archangels know when they're being used. Father knows when He's being used. He doesn't even hear or will come down to give us downloads or even come down to help if you have evil intent, if you're so wicked inside, if you're of the dark, if you're a demon yourself. He will not come unless you're really, really sincere and want to change your life, change your heart, so your heart can be light as a feather when balancing the scales in your life and with your karmas, whether it's good or bad, whether it's pure of heart or if it's of wickedness. I could tell when energies tap into my dreams. And I literally just woke up and rebuked and prayed and I banished those energies. And I bind them. These energies will be going to purgatory. Period. There's no sparing energies that taps into your energy fields, want to come and disturb your peace. I just banished them and sent them straight to purgatory because that's where y'all belong. I have no mercy. As above, so below. Maybe they do, but I don't. Anyway, y'all receive purgatory in the underworld. There is a heaven and hell. If you don't believe it, there is. I've seen it. I believe it. And if you don't believe it, and energies keep tapping into the pure of hearts of people, my collective here on this earth that's trying to send love, raise vibrations, because this is the energy field that we're on. I feel it. And like I said, I just transmute or I banish these energies into purgatory because you have no soul. You have no life. And person like me and other collectives that are pure of heart breathes life. Wants to change perspectives, the collective's perspectives, thinking about things in a positive sense. There's other avenues and ways to go about things in a positive, high frequency manner. And when you could switch your mind, your thoughts, your energy, your pattern, it changes a lot of things in your life. If things are not going good in your life now, you can switch it and say, it will work out. Things will be fine. I will get over this. It's just a matter of time. That's switching your perspective. Troubles don't last always. You're switching your perspective and your energy for things to get better again in your life. You got to speak it into existence. You got to believe it. Collective. Okay, so my download right quick. That's a sign. They try to denounce the archangels. In my dreams, they was like, they said 2 archangels, but I remember Archangel Michael, they said, and I laughed, I was talking to Archangel Michael. Again, they don't fall easily into temptation like mortals do. So they said, since he fell in love, because he's the angel of love, since he fell in love and protection, that there's no protection for me anymore or love anymore since he fell in love. And I just saw a carnation, a red carnation. Wow, in my tree. Outside my window, there's like one of them. Oh, okay, I see one. So that's a sign. A red carnation. Wow. Okay. There is love for me. I woke up and said, I do have love and I will receive love and I still have love and protection. So these energies can just go away. And it can be banished. But yeah, I laugh because angels don't roll like we roll. They don't think like we think. So they stoop that low to try to denounce my angels out of my energy and out of my life. I don't think so. Since my archangel fell in love, he has no love for me anymore. Protection, that sounds so stupid. Protect your energy, people. And definitely, like I said, interested, check my links down below on my items. I use it on myself, but protect your energy constantly. Because these energies is the lowest of the low, and they need to go where they belong, and that's in purgatory. That's all I have to say. Take care, people.